What maintenance should I do on my car? Welcome to Mercie J, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm Rick Smith. So most people are aware that frequently and regularly the oil and filter should be changed on the engine. And most people are aware that regularly the tires should be rotated as well. So those are your two primary things for maintenance. The next thing I would put on the priority list would be the radiator fluid or coolant or antifreeze. And the kind of deception on that is many of the manufacturers have long life coolant, and they might say to change it every 150,000 miles, but in the fine print, 5 years. The crazy thing is, if you look in the shop, this car had cooling system, radiator fluid type issues. It's a major repair. The truck you see there with the cab off of it, cooling system issues, major repair. There's a Nissan that I just finished out back, same thing. So I can't stress enough that the coolant should be changed more often than the manufacturer's recommendation, especially here in the desert. So I really suggest the first service be within that 5-year range, and then after that about every 3 years. Very quickly, if you're in a high moisture content climate, brake fluid should be changed regularly. You got air filters, you got cabin air filters. I could go on the list, but I just want everybody to at least be aware of the coolant. Thanks for watching, and until next time, safe travels and blessings to you.